In this video, we will show you how to reset Epson Stylus Photo RX685 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. Before you download this resetter or adjustment programs, we suggest you to disable for a while your antivirus, including Windows Real-Time Protection and the Temper Protection if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. After you disable for a while your antivirus, then you can download this resetter, the link on comments. After you download these resetter files, you can just extract the file by right-clicking on the file and select Extract All. After that, you can click Extract button. Then, open the resetter folder and you can run the adjustment programs. After that, you can click Accept. And in here, you can just click Select button and let it by default auto selection, or if you already connected, you can change to manual part. Just click OK after that. Continue with clicking particular adjustment mode button here and choose Wash Ink Pad Counter and click OK. After that, tick the main pad counter option and FL box counter options. Then you can click Checks. After that, you can click Initialization. After the reset is successfully, you can immediately turn off your printer. Then you can turn back on your printer again. You can click Finish after that. But if you face error, you can try to moving your USB printer to another available port on your computers. And that's all tutorial how to reset Epson Stylus Photo RX 685 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.